You harvest. I share the profit with you. We sell. What do you think of this program?
Here to plantain, figure out how to make this sustainable. But second
Then
phase
you
after
expand.
selling it out.
Then you buy your own land. But you see for yourself, so he's planting Japanese sweet potato and Indonesian sweet potato.
Sorry.
How many of you want to do that? Sure. You must come at least once a month
Once a month. Okay.
and pull the weeds. That's the hardest. The irrigation I can set up for you. But you can learn how to do. You must follow through, but you don't need to do. You prepare everything. Maybe you invest a bit. My calculation is the first month about 150 ringgit. Second month about 100. Then 50. So your total investment is about
300.
yeah. And then after that you harvest.
Okay.
You take the risk. But you have to come and look after the weeds and all this. So you cannot come. What was the total investment?
300.
3 people.
Oh.
100 each. If you're,
No, I will do
what's your name?
Mahvish.
Huh?
Mahvish.
Magdish? I cannot come today. I'm not free. Can you come? So your friend will come.
Okay.
You take turn.
That's it.
Or all 3 can come. But when you come, you can also harvest other things. I'm thinking of this program to get people hands-on.
You are planning?
Understand it?
Yeah, inshallah.
We are
we'll do
planning
together.
to take some land and then under our entrepreneurship lab, then our students' projects will be to work on this one.
Yeah.
And then we'll do the assignment. So every semester there will be a batch of students who will do the work. They will do the assignment.
You got a sponsor already.
Business will run.
But make sure they invest a bit.
Yeah, we'll make
If it's zero free,
No, they have to invest and
maybe
then
50
they need
ringgit,
to
they will
have
match
some
it.
results as well.
It's like
Your match with some initial.
it's like a commitment fee.
Yeah,
Yeah, commitment. Yeah.
you have to. When it's no risk, nothing, people don't feel it.
It doesn't matter. It's a video
Yeah.
or it's a weekend, right?
Then you can write about. Then if you work, I'm going to do corn. So you decide what you want. All these I planted before, successful.
I know.
So it can work, but still there is.